She is the mum of Alfie Meadows, protester acquitted after a public order trial earlier this year. She'll tell you about it. Susan Matthews.
When my son was hit on the head by a policeman and got bleeding on the brain, just down the road there, during the student protests of 2010, I knew that we needed the NHS. We went to the NHS and they did a superb job. They operated on him in the night and saved his life. I didn't know then that I needed a solicitor. My other son rang 999, reported what he thought was a crime, and I thought that would kind of solve the question. I was completely wrong. About 5 days later, I realised that we needed to contact a solicitor. And I was told of a small firm that specialises in actions against the police. And they supported us in starting the process of trying to take action against this assault on my son. But 3 months later, my son was charged with the crime of violent disorder. And that started a process which lasted 2 years, 3 trials, lasting 12 weeks before he could clear his name. So I know that Chris Grayling is wrong when he tries to distinguish between the public on one side and the criminals on the other. And that distinction makes me very angry. We all need the law, and we need a justice system just as much as we need the National Health Service. If my son had not been operated on by a neurosurgeon, he would have died. If he just had the cheapest possible all-purpose doctor. In just the same way, he needed specialist legal support. And he was supported by a small firm who worked way beyond the pay they got, the meagre pay for criminal legal aid. Supporting him required hours and hours and hours of watching video evidence. And they worked far beyond their pay. So I just have to say that the fight to support criminal legal aid is a fight for everybody. It's one that the public, everybody, has to join in fighting these appalling proposals.